Okay, what's up guys? In the previous tutorial we have seen about how to design this app bar and body section. So in this tutorial we will see how to show the floating button. Okay, so for that purpose our body ends somewhere over here. Let me just format the document. Okay, so it ends somewhere over here. So now if I want to show the floating action button, so I'll say floating action button, then floating action button function I'll make use of. Then it will have the child. So for child, I can show the text. I'll say text over here, which says click. Let me just let's see what's the issue. Okay, it is in need of the on press. On press is there. So on press is basically the function. Okay, so you can give whatever you want to. Let me just save this and I'll show you what is it. Okay, so this is the floating action button. You can see over here down below, and on press you can trigger a function or make a function call over here. And if you want to give the background color over here, so you say colors dot, and you can give the color, which is basically the yellow over here. If you want, you can click on this and give some, just click on this. Arey yaar. Okay, and you can give the blue color if you wish to, and just save it. And now it's a blue color over here. And if you just click on hover on this, you will see the floating action has this many parameters. You can just make use of this, and mouse cursor is also there. So let's see what are the properties I'm having for the mouse cursor. I'll say pointer. Okay, so it is not working. So let's not do this. I think this much is fine, and this is all about the floating action button. So autocomplete is suggesting some code over here. Let me just give it a try. We can always experiment. We can give the elevation also. Let me just save and see. Now it can be seen I got some elevation over here. Elevation is just like it's giving that 3D effect. And what is the issue? It is saying add a constant, and isn't defined. So okay, border size, border none. You can always experiment. You can just see how things are working. As of now, if I give the elevation as 0 and if I save, I won't see the shadow over here. Okay, so you can just give it a try. So when it comes to the floating action button got the child as a text. On press is mandatory because you want to show what could be done when you press on this. And this is the background color. And as of now, let's just comment out this part. I think this much is fine. So thanks for watching. This was all about the floating action button.